Hi students, today we are going to see the 9th standard unit 6 poem, The Comet. Norman Littleford is a poet. It's about the comet falls from the heaven. From the space. It's a heaven means the meaning what is it? Space. So it's just how it's fall down and how it's compared to theta it's given. And it's a memory poem. Now we can go to the book back exercises. He memorized the first 3 stanzas of the poem. So the first 3 stanzas of the poem you want to memorize, you can expect in your question paper, okay, for the examination. So I'll read the 3 stanzas just within one minute, okay. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet in full flight. So it's coming down. Faster than a cheetah with a tail that's mile long, bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. The outer ice is melting, casting vapor from the foes, and leaves a trail behind it as it travels on its course. Next, we read the following lines and answer the question. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night. How does the comet travel? The comet rushes wildly through the sky and travels day and night. B. Which word could be replaced rampaging with? 4 options are given there. C. You want to just speeding is the answer for it. Second one, faster than a cheetah with a tail that's miles long. A. Which comet compared? Why is the comet compared to a cheetah? As a comet moves very fast, it is compared to a cheetah. B. Whose tail is compared here? The tail of comet is compared here. Third one, with shock waves reaching to the ground, causing the line to quack. Question is, what is reaching to the ground? The shock waves is reaching to the ground. B. What is causing the land to quack? B. The shock waves made by the comet is causing the land to quack. Fourth one, in the dust they leave behind could have started life on the earth which resulted in mankind. Question is, what does the word they refers to? The word they refers to the comets. B. According to the scientists, how did the life started on the earth? Answer is, according to the scientists, the life on the earth started from the chemicals in the dust left behind by the comet. Fifth one, but I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. A. Who does I refers to? I refers to the poet. What is the best spectacle mentioned in the above lines? A comet is in full flight is the best spectacle mentioned in the above line. Next one, complete the summary by filling the giving space with the suitable phrases given below. So I am showing in this video, you can see it and you can write in the book. If I read this, the time will get waste, okay? Now we are going to the D. Poem appreciation. 4 lines are given there. If one should come too close to earth, the atmosphere will shake, with shock waves reaching to the ground, causing the land to quack. First one, pick out the rhyming words. Shake, quack, is this a rhyming word there? Mention the rhyming scheme of the poem. A, B, C, B, which when you read the poem aloud, you can hear a rhythm. According to you give rhythm to the poem, the rhythm of the poem in a line. Support your answer with examples from the poem. The answer is in the page number 165. The poem has a number of rhyming words at the end of the line. These words gives rhythm to the poem. So you can see that in the poem you can see night, flight, in second stanza long, strong, in third stanza force, course, in fourth stanza shake, quack, in next stanza behind mankind, hind kind, the last stanza right, flight. Now here is the paragraph question, you can write it. And was listening in the listening area, you have listened to the passage on comment and fill the blanks by choosing the correct answer. comets are believed to be remain of the material created by the answer is B, sun. Comets are mostly made of B, ice. The dash can be seen in the night sky as the bright, quickly moving light. Answer is C, tail. Comets orbit at the very edge of the galaxy. Past the dash. Pluto is answer C. Fifth one, say whether the statement is true or false. The melting process causes bits of dust and debris to trail behind the comet. The statement is true. Study well, students. Thank you.